Hello, my wonderful friends. I hope you are feeling happy, healthy, and full of positive energy today. May this lesson bring you confidence, inspiration, and one more step toward speaking English naturally. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Today, we are going to visit a very special place. Can you guess what it is? It is my favorite place. Everyone has a place that makes them feel relaxed. It could be a park. It could be a beach. It could be a library. Or maybe it is a quiet place close to home. In today's lesson, I will share my favorite place with you. Along the way, you will learn useful vocabulary, natural expressions, and simple sentences that native speakers use every day. By the end of this lesson, I hope you will feel ready to describe your own favorite place in English. Before we begin, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy learning English with me, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps this channel grow and allows us to create more free lessons for learners around the world. Thank you so much. Now, are you ready? Let's begin. First, let me tell you about my favorite place. My favorite place is a beautiful park near my home. It is not the biggest park in the city. It is not the most famous one either. But every time I visit, I feel peaceful. As I walk through the entrance, I hear birds singing happily. Tall green trees move gently in the breeze. Bright flowers add color everywhere. Children are laughing. Parents are smiling. People are walking slowly with their families. Everything feels calm. Everything feels alive. The fresh air fills my lungs. The warm sunlight shines through the trees. For a moment, I forget all my worries. I simply enjoy the beauty around me. Here are today's first vocabulary words. Park. Tree. Flower. Fresh air. Peaceful. Take a walk. These expressions are wonderful. I especially love the phrase take a walk. Native speakers use it every day. Let us say it together. Take a walk. Take a walk. It sounds natural and relaxed. Next, let me show you my favorite corner of the park. There is a small wooden bench beside a quiet lake. This is where I love to sit. The water is clear. Tiny fish swim quietly below the surface. Sometimes ducks glide across the lake. Watching them always makes me smile. I often bring a book with me. Reading beside the lake feels completely different from reading at home. The quiet atmosphere helps me focus. Every page becomes more interesting. Sometimes I stop reading for a few minutes. I simply watch the clouds moving across the blue sky. Can you imagine that? It feels wonderful. Here are a few more useful words. Bench. Lake. Cloud. Blue sky. Read a book. Relax your mind. I really like the phrase relax your mind. It is simple, positive, and very meaningful. Let us repeat it. Relax your mind. Relax your mind. That is a beautiful expression to remember. After that, I usually walk along the small paths. There are colorful flowers on both sides. Butterflies fly gently from one flower to another. The air smells fresh after the morning rain. Every step feels light. Every breath feels refreshing. Sometimes I meet friendly people. They smile and say hello. A simple greeting can brighten someone's day. That is one reason I enjoy coming here. The park is not only beautiful. It is also full of kindness. Here are today's next expressions. Walking path. Butterfly. Say hello. Friendly people. Brighten someone's day. I absolutely love the phrase brighten someone's day. It sounds warm and caring. Let us hear it again. Brighten someone's day. Brighten someone's day. It is a fantastic expression. Sometimes I come here with my best friend. We sit under a large tree. We talk about school. We talk about our dreams. Sometimes we laugh for no reason at all. Those simple conversations become wonderful memories. I believe happiness is often found in small moments. We do not always need expensive things. We do not always need exciting adventures. Sometimes, a peaceful afternoon with a good friend is more valuable than anything else. Isn't that true? Here are some more useful phrases. Spend time together. Share memories. Laugh together. Enjoy the moment. Make wonderful memories. These expressions sound amazing. My favorite one is enjoy the moment. Let us repeat it together. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. That is a phrase worth remembering every day. After that, I slowly leave the park. Before I go home, I always look back one more time. The trees. The lake. The flowers. The smiling faces. Everything reminds me that life is full of beautiful moments. Sometimes we are simply too busy to notice them. The park teaches me to slow down. To breathe deeply. To appreciate nature. And to be thankful for every peaceful day. Finally, let us review today's lesson. Today, we visited my favorite place. We learned words like park, tree, flower, lake, bench, butterfly, and fresh air. We also practiced wonderful expressions like take a walk, relax your mind, brighten someone's day, and enjoy the moment. I hope you will use these expressions in your own conversations. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you describe your favorite place? Where is it? Why do you love it? Who do you usually visit it with? How does it make you feel? Leave your answer in English. Even a few simple sentences are excellent practice. Remember, every sentence you speak makes you a little more confident. Every lesson brings you closer to your goal. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I truly appreciate your time, your effort, and your passion for learning English. Seeing your progress makes every lesson worthwhile. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends, classmates, and family members who are learning English. Together, we can build a friendly community where everyone learns, improves, and grows together. Until we meet again. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep believing in yourself. And never stop discovering the beauty of English. See you in the next lesson.